In every video published on this channel so far, discarded, unused, or waste materials have been transformed into a usable and highly practical object. This process has always been especially fascinating and visually impressive within industrial environments. In this video, we also demonstrate how non-functional and recycled metals are transformed into a valuable and highly practical product. In this process, a ship's anchor chain is converted into an exceptionally high-quality sports dumbbell. After precise marking and cutting of this chain, it is sliced into 2 equal parts using an angle grinder. These chains were extremely durable and had endured the harshest environmental conditions for years. After a long period, they must be retired because they no longer possess the necessary strength to perform their function. From the level of oxidation on this chain, it is evident that it has gone through many years of heavy and demanding work. At this stage, we need a very high temperature to heat these pieces. For this, an industrial furnace is used, fueled with gas and a certain amount of industrial coke to achieve the high temperature and maintain a stable flame. The pieces are arranged inside this furnace, and it is then refilled with industrial coke on top. They are left for a period of time to become fully red hot and molten. After becoming molten, these pieces are hammered multiple times to take on the initial shape of our product. This hydraulic hammer continuously delivers powerful blows to shape the heated metal, while the craftsman moves the piece to guide it toward its final form. The same process and steps are carried out for the other pieces as well. Due to the condensed nature of the videos on this channel, the goal has always been to convey the most information in the shortest possible time. You can help us reach a wider audience by liking the video. Up to this stage, most of our pieces have taken shape, but from this point onward, they are secured to a lathe to be finely machined to their final precision. In this section of the video, everything is clear and easy to understand. Let's watch the craftsmanship of this master on the lathe together. Since the holes in the weight are too large, the drilling could not be completed in a single step. The weight must be drilled twice using 2 different drill bit sizes. The same steps are carried out for the other side of the weight. Now, we move on to the central rod of the dumbbell and follow the construction process for it. A solid rod of appropriate diameter is used to make the dumbbell handle. It is secured to the lathe, and the machining process begins. After completing the lathe machining of the handle, both ends of the dumbbell handle are threaded using a die and tap, preparing it for securing the weights onto it. Finally, the pieces are simply connected with just 2 screws, making the dumbbell ready for use. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to join us, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends. By simply liking it, you can relieve the effort put into making this video and make us happy. Please leave your thoughts about this video in the comments. Take care.